Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install Imagick. So the first one, what is Imagick? Imagick is a free open source software that we use it to modify, to create or to convert a bitmap image. So in the next video I will have a project with the generate QR code and download it and format it to the PNG format. So you cannot do like that with the QR code format to PNG. You need to install the images and config with the PHP extension. Okay, it has a little bit many steps for configuration, so I will show you how to do it. Okay, so the first we need to go to see my step in here in GitHub, and I will share this to below my videos. Okay, you can follow my instruction in here. So the first one, you need to check in here pre-installation. You need to check the PHP version. You need to check architecture and thread safety. So let me close this and I will show you how to check it. So you go to localhost, you click on PHP information, you check the PHP version. You can see it is 8.1, okay, and architecture is 64-bit, and you download the PHP Magic that should fit with this, okay, and you download the images to install that fit with 64, okay. So then you need to check the thread safety in here. It is already enabled, okay. So this is the pre checks for before you install, okay. So we go to the next step. You download and install Imagick for Windows. This is the link how to download it. You copy it and you can pass in here. Okay, you can see many version in here, okay, but in this case I need to download the latest version, but it support for 64, okay, sorry, okay, 64, that's right. And you click download in here, just click like this. But in this case I have downloaded already. I don't want to spend much more time. You can see here is I download it. Now I start to install it. Just click on it. I accept it. Next. Okay. Next. Next. You need to check create a desktop icon at application directory and install the ffmpeg. Okay. Next. Install it. Next. Finish it. Okay, that's right. So now we finish to install the images. So we move to another steps, and here we can see number 3, download images for PHP. So this is the link, and then you copy the PHP imagick.dll and pass it in the XAMPP PHP ext folder and open the php.ini, okay, and you pass this code in that file and save it, okay. So let me copy this and download the library, copy it, pass in here. Okay, you can see it is you looking for the PHP that version that fit with this, okay. In my PC I have installed PHP version 8.1, so this is 8.1, and you need to choose the thread safe for 64, okay. So you can download this, click on it, and then it will start to download. But in this case I have already downloaded it, just cancel it. We go to here, it is my zip file that I have downloaded and I extract in here. Okay, so you just click on it and you're looking for PHP Imagick.dll. Scroll it down, you scroll it down. You can see here PHP Imagick.dll. Okay, copy this. You go to the dry C. I go to dry C, looking for XAMPP, looking for PHP ext folder and pass it in here. Okay, so this is, in this case I have already passed it in here, so you can check PHP, here's PHP Imagick.dll. Okay, and then we go to XAMPP control on Apache here, click on config, we click on php.inize, we find dynamic extension. Okay, that's right. So now you scroll it down, you need to write the extension in here. Okay, let me check where it is. I have already write it in here, so where is it? Okay, you can see here is the extension equal php imagick.dll. So you need to write this in the file. Okay, so and then after you write, you save it. Okay, you save it and close it, and then you need to restart the Apache service, stop it and start it again. Okay, that's right. So now we go to another step. We finish this. We go to number 4, download require Imagick binary. This is the link how to download it, and you're looking for the course and mood file, all of this, the DL file. You need to copy all the DL file and pass it in the XAMPP, Apache and bin folder. Okay, so now let's start to download it, copy it. Okay, and then be looking for here's Imagick that support 64. Okay, so you need to download with the right architecture. Okay, so you click on this. Okay, I have already downloaded. I cancel it, and you can check in my folder. So let me go back in here. This is my Imagick. Okay, I have downloaded already and extract it in here. So you can go in here, and then we go to bin. You can see here is all the DL file. You can see. Oh, okay, it's not the right one. Let me delete it and extract it again. Extract it here. Okay, so you go to bin and you can see here is the DL file, course, all the prefix core in here. You need to copy all the DL file that start with core that and then DL, like here, here, you need to copy it. So let me, here's also you need to copy all these files to put in the bin location. So let me copy it. I select this DL, okay. So you need to copy only DL. Okay. Okay, that's all for DL that start with core, and then we copy the DL that start with IM in here. Select on it. Okay. Okay, you can see here I have select all the DL file in here, like that start with IM, and also the DL that start with core. Okay, so you can see here. So let me copy all of the DL file, right click and copy it, and we go to devices, themes, we go to Apache folders, we're looking for bin and pass it. Okay, so in this case I have already in here, I have copied all the DL file in here. I can replace it. Okay, because it is running. Okay, so let me cancel it. So this is, you can see, is the DL file that start with course and IM. Okay, so now let go back the next step. That is all for our configuration. So now how to check that we have installed and have a right configuration. So let me refresh in here. You can check in the PHP info, refresh it, and you can find that Imagick. Okay, you find Imagick. You can see here, if you have installed and have the right configuration, it will show like this Imagick and show the information like this in the PHP information. Okay, so now that's all for my presentation about how to install Imagick in Windows and configure the PHP extension. So in the next video we will learn how to generate the QR code and download it. Okay, thank you.